Michael with Desert Jeep Rat. I was reviewing some of my old photos of the Blue Steel Overland trailer and wanted to flash back through kind of from beginning to end. It began as just a utility trailer, and as you can see already, I had a lot of help from several friends to put fenders on it and build some structure to it. And initially it was just a utility trailer that held all my gear with a rooftop tent, as you can see there. And here I am out in Daytona at Jeep Beach event. And that's what it looked like when it was fully set up with the rooftop tent and the lift. Then I stripped it down. It was Albero or Waka's fault. He has a sleep-in camper that we help him build, and it's really nice. So I wanted to cut some weight. I don't know if you can see, but that's 3/16 steel I was cutting off that deck. I replaced that with aluminum and a frame structure, again with help from the same friends, Waka. And we had a great time. It's always a blast working on a project with some guys. Kenny there is a next door neighbor, and he's helped me on all the way along on this build, and was a irreplaceable helper in getting it all set up. So we skinned it just like normally you would with a trailer, and insulated it really well, and then diamond plate, shiny diamond plate, which I regretted after a short while, and you'll see that change here in a moment. But as I said, insulated really well. It sleeps really well. I've been below zero in there and not needed to use my diesel heater. So it rides really well. It's still pretty lightweight. This is what it looked like when it was finished and closed, with the door in the back and window on the side. And here's what it looks like with the rooftop tent still attached. But I've made some other modifications now, one of which making it literally blue steel. And then I added the DIY 270 awning. You can see that video on my YouTube channel, and Overland Under Budget is who originated that. I took his design and made just a couple small adjustments for how it worked great for my trailer. And then I just added this, the kick-ass shower awning. It's as well. The video is on my YouTube channel. You can check that out and watch the review of that product. I think it's going to be great. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share so you can see the other updates that will be coming out soon.